PGT drivers and PGT associates. I wanted to take a couple of minutes today and talk about air tanks on your truck, and specifically what we need to be doing with them to avoid any potential unnecessary downtime. When you think about an air compressor, it creates two things. It creates air and it creates moisture, just fundamentally, whether it's in your garage at home or whether it's in a truck. And what you see here is an air tank, and you see a professional driver draining out the water. It is absolutely critical that whether you're in the summer, spring, fall, or winter, we're draining out that water. What happens if you don't? Well, you get water buildup from the air compressor cycling, and it builds up and fills the air tank. And then when we get into weather like we've had recently, that water pushes through all of your air system and can freeze up, and then it makes your brakes not work and your valves get stuck. So it's very, very important that at least once per day we're draining those air tanks by pulling on the cord. Very simple thing to do, and will keep you from coming down with unnecessary repairs. And it's also, quite frankly, something that you should be doing on your pre-trip and post-trip, so don't be afraid to even do it twice a day. Thank you for everything you do out there, and be safe.